How to use ClickUp for project management. Hello there. Today we'll learn how to use this platform when creating a project management. ClickUp is a project management tool that helps teams collaborate, manage tasks, and track progress. It is a cloud based platform that offers a range of features such as task management, project planning, time tracking, team collaboration, and etc. So this really comes in handy when in terms of teamwork as well as group projects if you do have a lot of things to do in school as well. So here, so before we begin, so what we do here is we will be signing up for the platform first. So we will be inputting our email and then we just click on sign up for free. And then from here, we will be inputting our full name. So let's say, and then we will be creating our password as well. Okay, once done, you can just click on play with ClickUp, and then there will be a verification code that will be sent to your email address. Let me just verify that here. So we'll be opening our email, and here I'll be copying the verification code, and then go back to ClickUp. So let's type it in, and okay, we can go ahead and click on let's do it, and then we will be placing our workspace name. So for example, you can add your group name or your company name here. So let's say just put John's workspace here, and then we can even customize our workspace avatar. For example, you can choose what color you would like. So let's put on orange, or even you can just add an image as well. So you can click on I'm happy so far. And then from here, you can also choose your color or the theme color of your workspace. So I'll be choosing on blue. I'll be choosing this turquoise color, and then proceed, and then you will be choosing on how many people will you be working with. Since for example, I'll just be doing a mini team, so I'll just have 2 to 5, and then it will ask you a few questions. How do you want to start using ClickUp? So here you have a lot of options. So what I'll choose is just for personal use. Then we click on next, and then they will be asking where you were able to hear about this platform. I'll be choosing a friend, and then we can also invite people to your workspace. So I'll be typing in an email here. Then we can also add another email. Well, let's say moment here. So be putting this email as well. So you'll have a lot of team here. So once you have all the emails of your team, you can just go ahead and click on I'm done. And then it will ask you for what apps have you been using on your team. So you can click on Discord, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and you can also click on Slack and Google Hangouts as well. So when you're done, you can just click on I'm good. And then if you have used one of these software, you can click on, for example, let's click on Excel, and then just click on done. And then that's it. Once you will click on play with ClickUp, we'll be routed to the homepage of our workspace. So we just need to wait for a few minutes. And there it is. Now that we have the account set up, we can just go ahead and click on get started, or you can watch this video here. So, one moment. To give you a quick tour on your account here for your workspace, here on the left side panel of the screen, you'll be able to see your home, notifications, and you can also see the spaces or the workspace that you have, as well as your own private dashboards as well. You can also see here the documents that are being shared or your own documents which can be seen in your private or all the documents that you have in the workspace. So for us to get started, what we will do is to create our own private dashboard. So what you do is to click on the plus icon and then it will automatically pop up the information here. And for us to create a dashboard, you can actually choose templates here. So let's say time tracking dashboard. Then we can just click on free trial. So let's say weekly, and then we can click on apply. And there you have the new dashboard here. So for you to be able to keep track as well of your project. So you can also click on spaces where this is the collaborative space where you can assign the informations to your team and all the projects that you will be assigned. So let's, for example, we'll add a new space here. You just need to click on the plus icon and then either you can add a form or a list, whiteboard, folder, anything that you like. So what we do here, since I already have a space provided, that's a subtopic for my workspace. So we can create the things or to-do list here. So for example, so you have a lot of options, whether you can have a view or how do you like to view your workspace. So you can have a list view or you can also have a board view. So for example, what we can do is we will be adding a task. This will be located on the lower corner of the screen, where let's say the new task would be, this will be about recording or market research for the new product design. So we can create the task here and we can even assign it to one of our team here. So let's say we'll add us to V, and then we can just click on create task. You can even create attachment like what are the information or that he or she needs to gather. You can also input you can even add a checklist as well. Here, you can even set dates like when the deadline will be. So let's say this weekend. Then you can also set it to top priority. So either you can have it low if it's not that very important, and let's just put it to high. And then once you are satisfied with these information, you can go ahead and click on create task. But first you don't you need to make sure that you also put the task name. So market research. Then here, please do create the market research and have the output on a PowerPoint presentation. Once you're done, you can just click on create task. And there it is. So we'll wait until this project has been done. You can even set a time tracker here. So let's say time tracker. You can enter it either manually or just a time range, or you can set a timer. So let's see here. And then you can just sit and play. And then once the once this has been done, you can go ahead and click on stop timer, and this will indicate how long the assigned person who has worked on the project. Okay, and once you're done, or once a task is done, you can actually click or move it to completed, or you can even add a status like for revision, like that. So you can put it back here, so whatever the status of the task is. So here another feature is that, as you noticed on the lower right part of the website, there you have a lot of platforms or communication platform where you usually communicate with your team. It also has the tool that you are mostly using for this. So for example, we will be clicking on Google Hangouts or Zoom. When you click Google Hangouts, it will route us to the here. So these are the things that we will be using, or you can click on Click Apps, where it will provide you a lot of options here, where you can do collaborative editing or comment reactions. And here you'll be able to see as well Microsoft Offices, and on the last part you will be able to see Zoom. So for example, you see that some parts have been grayed out, and if you want this to be added to your workspace, you can just click or toggle on the click app that is here. So you can also click toggle this on, and then if you wish to disable, you can just click on this, and then you can just confirm it. Okay, so for example, we'll go back to our space here. So if you wish to incorporate a link or a attachment, like for example, you can add or a link for your Google Drive. Then you can just click on the attachments here that's below, and then you can click on this and you just click on allow. And there you'll be able to click or choose which of the informations that you'd like to add. So for example, let's just click on this and then click on select, and then it will provide or a direct link that your team can click on here. Okay, so if you wish this to be deleted, you can just go ahead and click on the trash can icon, and then you can just click on it, and that's now deleted. And that's about it for the ClickUp platform. That's how you will use this for your project management on the account, where this is really helpful for you to manage all the tasks, especially when there are a lot of things that you need to do to get it completed. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.